Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So today we're just going to do a quick and simple look with this beautiful palette I pulled out for my weekly shop my stash. It's just this one by e.l.f., one of their bite-sized palettes, and it's the cream and sugar one. I'm not going to use all of the eyeshadows. I won't be using this bronze shade here, but the rest I will. This shade here I think will look really gorgeous, just as kind of a one and done swipe across the lid. So yeah, I think that will look really cute. Just a pre-warning, there's a lot of fireworks going off at the minute. What time are we on? 6 o'clock. So I just wanted to get this done before I go to my mum's. We're currently on Sunday, so it's that time of the day again. We're having a roast dinner today, so I'm really looking forward to that. Had KFC yesterday. Oh, it was awful. Absolutely awful. It came practically cold. They messed up the order as well, which I wasn't too happy about because it's not the cheapest thing. But yeah, let's not digress any further and let's have a little play with this. Okay, so I'm going to dip into this shade first, just in the crease. I think that's going to be more of a transition shade for me. And then this one is really dark, so we'll probably use that in the outer V. I absolutely love these palettes. I definitely want to get more of them. I've got 5 now, and I want to do a least favourite to favourite. I'm not going to call it a best to worst of e.l.f. bite-sized palettes. I want to do a least favourite to favourite, but I want to get a few more. I might have to go to the e.l.f. website because my local Superdrug only does 6 of them, and I'm not too sure about getting that blue one. I probably will, just to kind of like put it in the video, and they are only £3, but yeah, I'm not too sure about that. I'm gonna see what others are on the site when I come off my low buy. And the e.l.f. website does the blushes and highlighters to go with it, so I might pick up a couple of them. Now you can't really see it, can you? I put it in my crease, it's just a slight wash of colour. People go crazy, absolutely crazy, about 2 months before Bonfire Night, and they set off fireworks here about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It's like, what's the point? It's not even dark out. See? Have you stopped? I hate it when I walk to my mum's, because I'm not really a firework person. They scare me, if I'm being completely honest, especially if they're close by. If they're a bit further away, I'm not too bothered. Yeah, they scare me a little bit, and I hate it when I'm walking there and all I can hear is fireworks and I can see them, and it's like, yeah, you just stay in the sky. I'm alright with sparklers. Not that I've, you know, had a sparkler for a very long time. I'm alright with them. Right, so then, that's it for the crease. So now I'm going to go in with the chocolate brown that's in the palette. It's a shame there's not more of a mid-tone. I don't think, I mean, I like this shade here. But it's a shame they didn't just put that one shade in and a mid-tone brown. But let's see what this looks like. I mean, look how dark it is. Just starting off here. think I'm going to blend it into the crease a bit. I'm just using these tapping moments. Oh, guys, ignore me. Tapping motions. I'm not going to do it all the way across. I want kind of like an ombre eye, where it kind of gets darker on the edge like that and is light inside. That's quite a nice blend. These palettes, guys, I've said it once and I'll say it over and over again, they're really good value for £3. I definitely want more e.l.f. palettes. I love the, I can't even remember what it's called. Let me go and this palette. This is the one I'll recommend if you can still get your hands on it. It's the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, and a few YouTubers got together and collaborated this. It's just absolutely stunning. If you've not got it, yeah, I would highly recommend it. I mean, look how beautiful it is. I have done 5 days 5 looks with it, so I'll just put it over there somewhere. Let's pop it back. I thought when I put it back in the drawer, I thought one of the eyeshadows had come out. Yeah, so we're just kind of smoking it out on the outer V and then taking it into the crease about halfway. So how are we all doing? Are you all doing really well? I hope you are. It's going crazy in the UK. I don't know how it is in the rest of the world because the news doesn't actually tell us. But in the UK, especially where I live, I think I've told you this before, we're on alert very high. So we've got 3 alert systems, so that's medium, high and very high, and it's just typical, like in the northwest where I live, we're on very high. So yes, that's not great. I've got a feeling they'll close the pubs down soon again, and the restaurants, which is a shame for the economy. And in Wales, I saw it on the news yesterday, I think this personally is taking it a step too far. In Wales, basically in the supermarkets, they would only let you buy essential items. So the non-essential items like clothing, I don't know how they consider that non-essential. Like clothing, even baby clothing, they put plastic sheets over it. Baby clothing, you know how fast they grow. It's an essential item, isn't it? You know, am I the only one that sees that? I mean, what do you guys think? I think this side's darker. Right, let's put a bit on the right eye then. And the left eye needs blending out a bit better than that. It's looking patchy. But I'm not going back in with that. Let's just... I just think what Wales are doing, and even like the people in Wales saying they've taken it a step too far now. You know, putting plastic sheeting all over products that you can't actually buy is just taking it that step too far. I just think it's such a shame. I mean, at the moment it feels like it's never going to end. People's mental health is through the roof. I mean, I know I've been suffering, you know, I've been a lot worse recently because of it all. Oh my god, now they're starting outside my window. God, I feel like telling them to shut the hell up. So, yeah, I'll probably forward that anyway. Right, so now we're going to go into the shade. I am so looking forward to seeing what that shade looks like all over the eyelid. I'm going to use this brush, just that side there. Let's just run it through the colour switch. I'll probably have to spritz it. Yeah, so I was saying before, I really do want to try more e.l.f. ones. There is a particular palette that I want to try, but I've forgotten what it's called. I'm sure it's called 80s something or other. I'll get the name of it and insert it. I have spoke about it in previous videos, so you probably know which one it is. Oh yeah, I really like that. Oh, we're spraying it. Seeing how much more pigmented I can get it. And I think what I'll do another day, just before I put it back, I'll go in with the more bronzy shade. Probably do the exact same look on the crease and the outer V, but I want to see what that one's like. I could put that on the inner corner, but I don't really want to spoil the look. I think I will get something from this Ciate palette for the inner corners since it's out. Right, I best show you this one here. So I've finished with the Ciate palette now, the 5 days 5 looks, and that's why I just wanted to do one simple eye look today, just because I didn't want to go straight into another palette, 5 days 5 looks. I wanted a bit of a break, but tomorrow I think I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Love London, and doing 5 days 5 looks with that. So shall we blend it out a little bit more? This is like a nice everyday eye look, I think. I'm just gonna get some mascara. Oh, actually no, we'll tightline first. I bet it needs sharpening. This eyeliner needs sharpening like so much. And because it's not sharp, I tend to poke myself in the eye with it. Oh, actually, I need to put that brown on the lash line. I need to find a brush. Just going with a smoky one. Yeah, so that chocolate brown shade I'm gonna put on the lash line. It's the only one we can use, really. Sorry. It's making my eyes water. As per. Right, now mascara, which let's put the rubbish one on first. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna declutter this at the end of the month. I've not had it for as long as I thought. I've just been using it for a month then, but by now I know that I don't like it. Can you see? It's just not gripping. It's not doing anything. This is the Manakadar one, by the way. And it's transferring it so badly onto my lid, so we're going to have to sort that out as well. If you was in a rush, you'd just get so annoyed at the fact that, you know, you have to sort out your eyelid, that you spent a bit of time on doing your eyeshadow. Right, let me go and grab a lipstick and then we'll sort out the mess that Manakadar mascara's made. Right, so we're going with a real simple lip today. I absolutely adore this lip crayon. It's by Mally and it's in the shade Barely Bloomed. I thought it said Berry Bloomed. Just a really nice neutral shade. Yes, I like that. So now we're going back to the eyes again to sort them out. I'm just going to tap some of that shade on. You can still see it because it's such a light shade. Yeah, that's alright. So guys, this concludes the video. This is what the eye look looks like. So this is the finished look. This is the eye look. This concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Please click that notifications bell. Please like, share and of course comment. I love reading your comments and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.